So Off and Gun, we're gonna place you right here. So let's come over here to the side, right there. So you can take a look, go ahead, you can pull it out, you can show it to the audience if you want. So on each of these balls, these plastic balls in the basket, each ball has a picture on it, all right? So on each ball, there's a picture of an ingredient. Now, these are ingredients of a Filipino dish called sinigang. So sinigang, it's a stew with a sour and savory taste. So let's show the audience if you want to show what else is on here. So for example, we have tamarind, we have some meat there. Now, Off and Gun, have you been able to try sinigang? Have you tried sinigang already?
ลองแล้วครับ
Yeah, they tried before.
Yeah?
หน้าตามันเป็นยังไงครับ
So we're not gonna ask, don't worry, we're not going to ask you to cook, all right? So don't worry. We just need you to transfer these ingredients to this basket right here. Easy, right? Just transfer them right here. But there's a little bit of a twist, okay? So to make it harder, because it's so easy if you just have to carry it to the other side, you have to find the ingredients and bring them together, but the ball has to be in between your cheeks. Yes, there we go. Hey, you can practice. You want to? Yeah, very good, very good. Okay.
โอเคเลย
Yeah. Is that rule okay with everyone? Okay, naman? Yeah. Okay, so and here's one more twist. It's not gonna be. There we go. You can bring all. But the other twist also is that all of these ingredients, not all of them are correct. There are some fake or decoy ingredients. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you the ingredients on the screen. You have to memorize them, and then you have to bring the correct ingredients to the basket. Now, we're only gonna give you 1 minute to transfer. All right, to transfer the ingredients. So it's gonna be pretty tough. So with that being said, is everybody ready for the game? Alright, so we're gonna start cooking crush. So first of all, let's show you the ingredients on the screen. Make sure to focus, memorize, try to memorize. Let's make sure that we can see an audience. This is your chance as well. Cheer them on. Let's see. Do we have the ingredients on the screen? Alright, let's flash it on the screen. There we go, there we go. So these are the ingredients. Oh no! Oh, right there, right there, right there. There we go. Oh no! You got it? Yeah. All right. Remember, we're gonna give you a 1 minute countdown. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Okay. So, Off, Gun, let me know when you're ready. Thumbs up when you're ready to go. You ready? Not yet? Ready? All right, babies, are we ready? Cooking Crush starts now. Come on, here we go, cheer them on! Is that right? Help them out, you can help them out, give them some encouragement. All right, there's not much time left. Off, Gun, you gotta make it quick. Yes, thumbs up. Seems like your babies are saying yes, come on. Last few seconds, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Time is up. All right, so Off, Gun, let's come over here. We have to check the results. Come on over here. We need, I think it was 12 ingredients. Off, how many do we have? We have 5, okay. But let's see how they did. Let's flash the ingredients here. So Off, Gun, why don't you show us which ones you got correct? Let's see what you have here. You have, there we go. We got the chili pepper. That's correct, okay. Right, there we go, 1. All right, this one, tomato. That's correct, yes.
Meat.
Meat, there's the meat. Okra.
Okra.
There we go.
and eggplant
Eggplant. There we go. 5. Not bad. Let's give them a round of applause. Good job. Now, of course, you had to complete it, right? You had to complete it, but unfortunately, you weren't able to do it. So, unfortunately, you have to serve a punishment. I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry. But, don't worry. The punishment is you just have to take a photo together. Is that okay? Okay. But it's not any regular photo. It's a very special photo. We prepared some special accessories just for this. So let's bring the accessories here on stage. Come on up. And here's the best part. All right, so they're gonna take a photo with these accessories. There we go. Let's put it here on stage.
for me
Yeah, for both of you. But here's the thing. We're gonna take a photo with a Polaroid camera, and one lucky fan gets to take home that photo. Who wants the photo? No, wait, we're not starting yet. But go ahead, keep it on. So, let's bring out the Polaroid camera. Where's the Polaroid camera? Please wear the headband that you like. There we go. Are we gonna go now? Any special pose? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, smile. There we go. So we're gonna give you the photo right there. And as promised, one lucky audience member is gonna take home this photo. And I think we have a fishbowl right here. And in this fishbowl, of course, I'm gonna maybe Off, do you wanna pick it out? Here we go. There we go. So we're gonna call you. Here, maybe, do you guys wanna help me read this one? So let's start with tier. What tier?
tier S
Oh, where's tier S? Wait, where's tier S? Raise your hands. Okay, tier S.
row 6
Oh.
where
Where's row 6?
okay
There they are.
and seat 24
Seat 24. Oh! All right. Stay in your spot. We will get you the photo, but wave your hands. Say hello. OffGun, let's wave at our winner right here. Congratulations. There we go. Congratulations, our lucky audience member.
come on
Alright, so our staff member. Oh, are we bringing them up? Oh, okay, we're bringing them up. Oh, just here on the side. Okay, we're done. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's your photo. Congratulations. All right, thank you very much. All right, let's give our winner a round of applause. Thank you, Off. Thank you, Gun, for that. All right, so let's ask about your experience playing the game. Was it very hard?
สนุกมากครับ สนุกมากก็รู้สึกว่า โดนทำโทษครับ
Yeah, he was enjoy and then I got punishment.
ปกติเล่นเกมเนี้ยเราจะชนะตลอดเลยนะไม่เคยแพ้เพราะว่ามันแค่แบบเอาของข้ามไปข้ามมาแต่ครั้งเนี้ยมันมีแบบว่าอินกิเดียนต่างๆแล้วมันเยอะมากมันก็เลยทำให้เราแพ้ครับวันนี้
Usually he never lose in the game, but because this time there are too many ingredients, that's why.
ถ้ารอบหน้ามาอีกเดี๋ยวจะไปจำว่าซีรีกังมีอะไรบ้างแล้วเดี๋ยวจะมา
Next
ทำให้ได้
time he will memorize the sinigang ingredients and then he will come back and then he will win for sure.
There we go.
คราวหน้าต้องเล่นกับพวกเราด้วยนะครับ
Yeah, and next time you need to join them for the
I'll
game.
join you. Okay, next time. I hope I can help you out.
Okay.
All right. So, of course, I know that your fans, they are excited to see everything that's in store. I know you need to take a quick little break, so we'll let you take a quick break. Let's give them a round of applause for playing that game so well. All right. So we'll see you in a few minutes, right? We'll see you soon.
Okay.
Yeah. And let's make sure we get this off the stage. So maybe in the meantime, while they prepare, is everyone having a good time?